for today's video, I did this white sugar skull look for Dia de los Muertos or Day of the Dead. I wanted to still keep it glam but still incorporate the sugar skull. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe while you're down there and check out my social media. The lashes I'm wearing today are Dodo lashes, so if you guys want to check those out and save some money, don't forget to use my code at checkout. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Alright, so I'm going to start off with my face. I'm going to prime my face with the Tarte Clean Slate Primer. Alright, now for foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline 24 Hour Foundation in 120, and I'm going to mix it with the L'Oreal True Match in Light Ivory. I mixed in the True Match foundation because it's a little bit lighter. I don't want to go full white, but I want to go a little bit lighter than my regular skin tone. Now I'm going to go into the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Light Ivory. Now I'm going to take the Tarte Shade Tape in Light Sand and highlight a little bit more. I'm going to highlight my cheekbones and then under where my contour is going to go. I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee and I'm going to cream contour. And then blending it downwards, because once I start putting the white's going to go from here down to my mouth and everything down below is going to be dark. Now I'm going to set my under eyes using the Maybelline Loose Setting Powder. For eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in number 5. I'm going to set them in place with the Milk Makeup Cush Fiber Brow Gel in Grind. Alright, so I already primed and set my eyelids. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be doing a dark brown smoky eye. I'm going to start off with the Morphe 3502 palette. And I'm going to take this like dirty brown shade. And this is going to be my transition shade. Now I'm going to take this dark brown shade and I'm going to start blending that into my outer corner and into my crease. I'm actually going to take it into my inner corner as well. Now I'm going to go into the ColourPop Dream Street palette. I'm going to take this dark brown, I think it's called Elfish. I'm going to place this into my inner and outer corner to darken everything up. I'm going to go back into that second brown that I used and just cover up that center part. Alright, so for lashes, I'm going to use the Dodo lashes in the style D307. These are my favorite lashes. If you guys want to check them out and save some money, don't forget to use my code lalxsly at checkout. Alright, to now start on the detail, I'm going to be using a white eyeliner pencil and I'm going to be sketching out where I want everything to go. Now that I have a rough idea about where I want everything to be, I'm going to go in with the Mehron Paradise Paint in white. Alright, so I added a couple more details, and then now I'm going to be adding diamonds on top of all the little dots that I already have. I keep dropping like every single one. Alright, so lastly I actually added more crystals along this line on both sides. And then I highlighted my inner corner and the bridge of my nose that you can still see. Alrighty guys, that was this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!